Okay, so recently we've talked about the God's frequency rising within us. And of course, hindi lahat makaka-relate. Because like what I've said, iba ang perception natin kapag sinabing God. Ang God, ayon sa kinamulatan natin, ay sinasamba. So, kahapon yata yon may dumaan sa FYP ko na nagsasabi na ang dami ng God sa TikTok. May nauusong salita ngayon na God complex. I understand that these people are nasa slumber pa rin, ay nasa matrix pa rin. Obviously, sarado sila sa bagay na to. And it's their choice. I-respect natin ang choice nila. Huwag tayo makipagtalo kasi sayang. Sayang ang energy natin kung makikipagtalo tayo sa mga taong sarado yung isip. Isipin na lang natin, may kanya-kanya tayong path. Taga-trigger lang naman tayo ng mind as spirituality content creators. Nasa nanonood pa rin ang desisyon kung sisisirin nila ang spirituality o tatalikuran. And because of these things, I asked the higher realm about this. And this is the answer that I received. This was my download. Okay. Waking up the God frequency in you proves that we are gods. But, spoiler alert, may spoiler alert po tayo, we are not God of anyone. We are not God of the people. We are our own God. You are your own God. I am the God of myself, the ruler of my life. That's why we have to remember who we truly are. Remembering that we are our own ruler, it means we are not here to be controlled by anyone. We are not here to be controlled by the system. Systems that have been created to dim your light, to make us forget that we are gods having human experience. At dahil dito, itong manipulation na ginagawa nila, it prevents your own power to create the life that you truly desire. So, ang kailangan po natin gawin, we have to cut the cords with those who are controlling us by raising our vibration. Because once we raise our vibration, the illusion that they've built upon us will collapse and disappear. And if no one's controlling you anymore, congratulations, you have gained your own power. Again, that's my download. When I ask spirits or the higher realm about human being God, yan yung sagot na binigay nila. And I'm not forcing anyone to believe me. What I'm asking is to respect my my practice. Yan. Kasi itong mundo ngayon, nahahati talaga. Nahahati tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng iba-ibang paniniwala. So, if they want to stay in the matrix, okay, respect natin sila. Tayo, we want to ascend. We deserve respect from them. So, hindi kailangang maging magulo yung magkaiba nating paniniwala. Kasi wala na tayong magagawa. Nasa isang planeta tayo. So, wag na tayong gumaya sa kanila. Wag na tayong dumagdag sa gulong binibigay nila sa ating planeta. At para sa akin, hindi naman mahirap ibigay yun. That's what we need. We need peace, di ba? So, simulan natin sa pagkakaroon ng respeto sa isa't isa. Yun lang po. I'm sending everyone love and light.